money moves fast, and if you are not positioning yourself correctly, you are losing wealth without realizing it. Inflation in Nigeria was about 34.8% last year. That means that if you are holding 100,000 naira last year, inflation would erode 34,800 naira out of it by the end of the year. This is not just a bad thing, it's a very terrible financial process for your own well being. The reality is this: there came a twist in this Nigerian market about 3 months ago, and this is a controversial twist. The Nigerian Naira has been growing extremely strong against the US dollar, and currently from about 1,787 naira, we are currently seeing the Nigerian Naira trading at 1,473 naira. That is a whopping 300% difference. Guys, this presents high level of opportunities and also risk in this market. In the words of a wise man, he says that cash is not wealth, and money must be put to work for it to generate high level of income and wealth. And as you know, my goal in 2025 is to help our community members to build long-lasting wealth with data-driven insight so that they will end the year financially stable. So here are your 5 money moves for 2025. The money moves you must make for 2025, let me outline it for you. The first money move that you must make is to get yourself involved in mutual fund and assets that outperform inflation. Ideally, inflation is about 2% on a yearly basis. So you must invest in assets like gold, Bitcoin, real estate, silver that outperforms inflation on a yearly basis. And then get into mutual funds. What are mutual funds? A mutual fund is when a pool of investors bring their money together to invest into a particular industry, and that investment will definitely be bringing them returns that is able to beat inflation. And what a joy it is to announce to you that here at Verm, we have a mutual fund that we are running. This mutual fund, you can invest it into high performing industries like the sand mining industries, like the pig farm livestock industries, the agricultural industries, and be able to get high level of returns that always beat inflation by the end of the year. A second thing that you can invest in that is a smart money move for 2025 is FGN bonds and savings, also with stocks. The Nigerian stock market outperformed the US stock market last year. Nigerian stock market ended, it also outperformed inflation last year in Nigeria, because while inflation in Nigeria was about 34%, the Nigerian stock market closed at 37.6%, which means that with the high level of instability in Nigeria, the stock market outperformed it. However, the American stock market with the S&P 500 closed at 23%. So if you are not looking into the Nigerian stock market to invest this year, then you are truly missing out. And finally is treasury bills. For those of you that want low risk and high liquidity type of investment, this is your go-to place to invest your funds. And you can use apps like Optimus Investor 2.0 to get involved in treasury bills, or send me a message and then I will guide you through this process. One other thing that we are doing is this. If you, in the words of wise man, says, if you don't have anything in your head, you cannot go ahead. And that is why I'm putting together a wealth academy for the next 3 weeks that will guide every investor that is interested in mutual funds investment, for them to understand the data driven strategies we are using and the ways we have been winning over the last 4 years of our operations. Ensure you do not miss out on this wealth strategy class. Send me a message and then you see yourself winning with investments that truly outperform inflation. On this note, my very good friends, this is Money Mastery Monday. Hope you had a nice time. See you.